everyone, this is Dr. Menka, Yuvraj, and welcome back again to the Menka vlog for fitness, beauty and health tips. So friends, I already posted a lot of videos about the weight reduction, about the belly fat reduction, the beauty product review, and a lot of cool healthy lifestyle related videos. So friends, before proceeding for this video is about a very good product review. I'm going to give review about the Garnier Skin Naturals Eye Roll-On, right? It's a very good product for eye puffiness, for dark circles of the eye, right? To cover up all these things I'm going to cover in this video. So friends, before starting the video, I request everyone please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can see my video first. So I'm talking here about this Garnier Eye Roll-On. It's a Garnier Skin Naturals. Everyone knows the Garnier company. It's a well-renowned company for the skincare products. So here is the Garnier Eye Roll-On I have. This is the second time I've ordered this product from the Amazon. So friends, I'm giving the link of this product in the description box so that whenever you wanted to buy, you simply hit the link and purchase that product so that you need not to struggle a lot to find the product. Right, so this product, right, you can see this is, the product is very, the packaging is very good of the product, and this is the cover of it, and this product is basically anti dark circles we have because of the bad lifestyle, because of our bad eating habits or lack of sleep. All this causes the dark circles around the eye, and sometimes it looks very bad and we need a lot of makeup to cover it up, guys. So this product works really very well. I use it, and that's why I'm making the review of it so that you guys also know about this product and you can also use it. So guys, this product, this is called the Light Complete Caffeine plus Pro-Vitamin 5. It means it has the caffeine plus Pro-Vitamin 5, which is very good for skin. Pro-Vitamin 5 improve the skin tone, makes the skin much better, and improve the skin day by day as we use it consistently. Right, though this is basically for the dark circles and brighten the eye contour. This part of the eye is called the eye contour. So if we are using it regularly, our eye contour will become much better, skin become much better, and get the glowing skin like we have all around the face. So this is called the massage roller. It has you can see this, I'm opening this, and this here is the ball, the roller ball. When we move it around the eye, there's a ball that move around, and there's liquid inside, that is a cream inside. So it is also evenly spread around the eye when we take it around the eye contour in this way. And it is a massage roll-on. It means when you're using it properly, evenly and slowly with mild gentle pressure. So our eye contour part means the skin around the eye, we are doing the massage actually with this eye roll-on, right? So we have to use in this way, and it will definitely reduce the dark circles which is around the eye. And one more thing is that it is dermatologically tested, and ophthalmologically also it is tested. It means it is 110% safe for using the eye, and for everyone, whether male, female, for everyone it's very safe. It's tested by the doctors. Now the caffeine in this, caffeine energize the anti-darkness ingredient. It's energize the skin around the eye, and it has the property of stimulation on microcirculation. Means when we move it, it is called the microcirculation. So when we rotate this roll around the eye, the skin gets stimulated, and our darkness that is around the eye, the dark circles, it goes away. Now this eye roll-on is for tired eyes also, for dark circles also, and sometimes if you feel heaviness around, the puffiness around the eye, so this is best for that also. Now this is obviously, this is one more thing is that it's fragrance free and dermatologically tested. You have to use it, it's in morning time and evening time, right? You have to use it after cleaning the face. You have to use it in morning time for 2 minutes and in evening time also for 2 to 3 minutes. And it will be much better if you use it on the clean face at the night time. I mean, if you can include it in your nighttime routine, that will work fantastic. Really, I use it. If I forget in morning time, it's perfectly okay for me. If I forget in evening time, that is also perfect for me. But it is recommended to use 2 times. But if you're using at night time, in your nighttime routine, it will work wonders, and your eye darkness of your eyes, the puffiness of your eyes, it will completely go away with this. And the liquid which is in this, that is the cream. So when we rotate this roll around, it's basically a gel form. is basically a gel form. I don't know it's visible for you here or not. It's a transparent gel in this that rolls when we roll it. So that transparent gel rotates around the eye, moves around the eye, and it is spread evenly. That will help you out to reduce the dark circles, the puffiness, and even out the skin that matches with the eye and the face. So the price of this product is 189 rupees, and it is 15 ml. It's already given here. Its quantity is 15 ml. Price is 189. So I think it's quite affordable and worth to buy. And I buy second time, and I'm making the video of it. It's really worth to buy because I get a very good result with this. The simply routine that you have to follow with this is you have to use it in a proper way. Just not like that you have simply applied. If you're using it in a right way, means proper, you have to open it up and use it properly and slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Then it will give a very good and amazing results. So friends, I hope you like this video. I made this video because I use it personally and I really love the result of it, and I hope you will also get a very good result of it. So friends, before using it and buying it, I would suggest that please when you buy the product, any product, not only this, when you use that product, right, so please test it somewhere around the skin so that you get to know that it is not getting any kind of itching or darkness around the skin, because eye skin is really very soft and sensitive, but it's dermatologically tested, by a doctor's tested, so it's 100% safe. And so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can see my video first. Thanks for watching.